In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to other tools. By the end, you'll know how to set up a reliable sync so the data you need flows into the base where you actually work, using an Airtable to Airtable example that mirrors the flow you'll use with many other connectors. Start by opening Airtable in your browser or desktop app and signing in. From there, head to the home screen so you can see your workspaces and bases at a glance. Choose the base where you want the data to land. Think of this as the destination base, the place you'll be working from once the sync is set up. Inside that base, look for the Add or Import option. This is where you create a new table and tell Airtable where the data should come from. Select Add from other sources to open the sync options. You'll see several choices for connecting data. For this walkthrough, pick Airtable base as the source. Even if you plan to connect other tools, this example shows the exact pattern. Pick a source, choose what to bring in, confirm, and create the synced table. Next, choose. Select a base and pick the source base that contains the records you want. If you don't see it, make sure you have access to that base. You can't sync what you can't view. Then choose. Select a table to specify which table in that source base you want. After that, choose Select a View. This is a powerful filter. The view controls which rows and columns sync over, so pick or create a view in the source that includes exactly what you need and excludes what you don't. Click. Next, to move forward, you'll now see select fields to sync. Keep this lean. Bring in only the fields you'll actually use. Fewer fields mean faster, cleaner syncs. The primary field is required, and most common field types work well. But remember that synced tables are read only in the destination. You'll make structural changes in the source. Click Next again to confirm your choices. Finally, choose Create Table. Airtable will add a new synced table in your destination base and pull in the first batch of records. From here on, updates in the source view will flow into the destination automatically on Airtable's schedule. You can rename the synced table for clarity, adjust field visibility, and if needed, revisit the sync configuration to refine which fields or views you're pulling. That's it. You've connected data using a clean, maintainable sync. If something doesn't look right, adjust the view in the source or tweak the selected fields and resync. The same flow applies when connecting many other tools. Authenticate, choose the resource, pick what to sync, and create the table.